Over the past several days, the northwestern Italian region of Piedmont has been hit by extraordinarily heavy snowfall, transforming vast alpine landscapes into continuous stretches of white and placing significant pressure on residents, tourists, and local authorities. Powerful winter systems have dominated the area, creating severe weather conditions rarely experienced at this time of year. Intense snowstorms have deposited massive amounts of snow across the Cuneo province and surrounding mountainous zones, with some locations reporting remarkable accumulations within very short timeframes. The scale and persistence of the snowfall have led to widespread disruption and heightened safety concerns throughout the region. Meteorologists describe this winter event as exceptional, noting that snow depths and storm intensity are well above seasonal norms. The prolonged nature of the snowfall has increased risks to infrastructure, transportation networks, and daily life, particularly in high-altitude communities. In the ski resort area of Prato Novoso, conditions have reached historic levels. Reports indicate that approximately 1.5 meters of fresh snow fell within a single 24-hour period, layering atop an already deep snow base and dramatically increasing overall accumulation. Total snow depth in parts of the resort is now estimated to be close to 3 meters, making it one of the most significant snowfall events recorded in Europe this season. Roads leading to and from the resort have been lined with towering snowbanks, severely complicating access for visitors and emergency services. Snow removal crews have been working continuously to clear primary routes and maintain essential connections through the mountainous terrain. Despite round-the-clock efforts, progress has been slowed by ongoing snowfall and challenging weather conditions. Across Piedmont, ski areas that would normally be filled with holiday crowds have faced dangerous conditions due to the weight of wet, wind-driven snow. Authorities have issued high-level avalanche warnings across many alpine and foothill regions as stability deteriorates. Avalanche risk levels have reached their highest categories in several zones, with the potential for spontaneous releases even without additional triggers. As a result, some off-piste routes have been closed and strong advisories have been issued urging people to avoid steep slopes and exposed areas.
Quasi, quasi.
The impact of the storm has extended beyond high elevations into valleys and populated towns, where persistent snowfall has buried vehicles and slowed efforts to clear residential streets. Public transportation services have experienced delays and cancellations as crews contend with deep snow and icy conditions.
Qua sarà la tormenta di neve. Fatta anche così, ma...
In response, municipal authorities have activated winter emergency plans, deploying snowplows, treating roads, and coordinating assistance for isolated communities. While the exceptional snow has created ideal conditions for winter sports enthusiasts, tourism operators continue to balance opportunity with the logistical challenges posed by blocked roads, lift safety, and ongoing severe weather.
Però hai idea di cosa? Sì, ma fino a Santo Stefano medica. Era ancora buttarci quasi in mezzo. Non oso pensare fra 2 giorni cosa ci sarà qua. Guarda qua, guarda. Ma le macchine sono venute su bene, comunque non... Però hai idea di cosa? Sì, ma fino a Santo Stefano medica. Era ancora buttarci quasi in mezzo. Non oso pensare fra 2 giorni cosa ci sarà qua. Guarda qua, guarda. Ma le macchine sono venute su bene, comunque non...